to learn one exercise to help soothe your eyes that are most likely getting a little bit too much screen time these days. My name is Kelly Goetz. I'm an Eden's Energy Medicine clinical practitioner. I'm also on faculty for the Eden Method program. And I'm very grateful that I have a variety of tools in my toolbox that I can support my body at any given time. And one of the things that I'm noticing is right now, although while we're hunkering in, we're spending more and more time on our computers, on our phones, in front of the screen. And what can happen is it makes it more challenging for an already stressed energy system to be able to cross over. Now, our body is constantly working in figure eights or crossover patterns. We know this in science because the left side of the brain crosses over and supports the right side of the body, and the right side of the brain crosses over and supports the left side of the body. The DNA has beautiful crossovers, but every single cell in your body is also creating these wonderful, beautiful crossover patterns that support you in staying strong. Now, when you're on screens for long periods of time, or you're trying to really focus on your work, whether it's close at hand or far away, it can strain the eyes that are working really hard to maintain that crossover pattern from the left to the right side as you're reading, or even from the front to the back. So a simple thing that you can do is simply rub your hands together, shake it off, and now we're going to just draw figure eights starting at the center of our two eyebrows. Just draw figure eights over the eye area. Notice it might feel like you want to close your eyes, at least it does for me. It's going to feel soothing. You might pick something in the distance or something close up that you're focusing on. Do your figure eights and see if it actually helps. I also like, for things in the distance, I like to make those figure eights between my eye and what I'm focusing on in the distance. And I like to do both sides one at a time. Now for me, I like to play with it a little bit. I'm always tickled when something shifts or changes in a short amount of time with the least amount of effort. So I'll cover one eye, see how far I can see and how well I can see. I might give it a rating. Then I'll do my figure eights, cover my eye again, focus on it again, and see if I notice any shift. This has worked really well for me, and it'll work well for you if you use it regularly. Again, my name is Kelly Goetz, and I'm wishing you an infinite love and gratitude day. Bye-bye.